Alright, welcome to the speed build and a bit of a thoughts and review on the Technic Stormtrooper from the early 2000s. I don't actually know the exact date, but I'll put it on the screen now. Regardless, I am really excited to build this for the first time. I am pretty sure that I built this as a kid. I'm the one who made the alternate version of this, but I don't really remember, honestly, so I'm going to rebuild that, and then I'll give my thoughts on this. I mean, I already think it looks cool. If you want to see my initial thoughts of this, I do have a haul video where I unveiled all this stuff. So yeah, if you want to see the haul video, I do show off my initial reactions to all this stuff, and there's a bunch of other of the old Technic builds that my parents finally found, and it's sort of a haul. It's not really stuff I bought, but my parents did finally find all of our old Lego stuff, and I was really excited about it. So anyway, I'm excited to rebuild this. I actually don't know if that orange piece is supposed to be in here. I guess it might be like an alternate build, or not an alternate build, turn your Stormtrooper into a captain or whatever, I guess, right? Let's see, hold on. Ah, yeah, wait. Oh, yep, there it is. All right, we're good. Yeah, you can turn your Stormtrooper into a Captain Stormtrooper, I guess, or whatever. Or I don't actually know what that's supposed to be. Pilot, maybe? I don't know. Regardless, you can do that. And, oh, he shoots the C-3PO. Cool. I can bring that guy out when I finish that. But I will be building the alternate build first, so I'll snap to disassembly for that, and I'll give my thoughts on it. And then I will build the Stormtrooper itself and give my thoughts on that. So I hope you're looking forward to it. Let's get to it. I'm sure you know how the buttons work down there by now, so do click them as you please. It really does help me out when you do. Let's get to the snap to disassembly for this and sorted pieces. Here we go. Alright, now that I have actually built this for real now, I am ready to review it. And it's a little less creaky and a little easier to rotate this top part now because it's been rebuilt. It was very hard to do that stuff. Whoops, I just shot myself. But yeah, I actually think this is one of the coolest little alternate builds for one of these Technic things that I've built so far. And I think the only other one that is even close to comparable in my eyes is the one for the Destroyer droid. But this was really cool. This is really fun and very, very switchable. You could throw this thing across the room. It is not gonna come apart. Do not worry. I mean, like, you can, yeah. I mean, we'll just toss it around here. Yeah, this is solid. This is a play toy, and this is amazing. I love this. The most that's gonna happen is this little thing's gonna come out, and then you just, plop that back in, and you're good to go. I don't know. It's, whoops. I'll have to resort those pieces, but yeah, this is awesome. I love this. This is so fun and so cool. This is so playable. You can, fly us around. You swish it and you aim the gun and stuff. Like, yeah, it's just, and then you fire it. So cool. Just so cool. I love it. I can't get over how cool this alternate build is. This is one that I think I might need to just actually buy another one of these just to be able to build this alt build, because this is really cool. I love how this looks. I love how this is so playable and swishable and just, it's cool. So yeah, this is one of the alt builds I think that really definitely sells these sets for sure. And yeah, I love it. So with that, let's get to the main build now for the Stormtrooper. I'm excited to do this and shoot my C-3PO with the gun. That'll be fun. But anyway, let's get to the speed build for the Stormtrooper. And a snap to disassembly again. Here we go. Alright, and I brought C-3PO just so I could try to do this. Here we go. We're gonna reenact the scene from the instructions here. You ready for this? Wait, yeah, I gotta bring that scene into focus. I gotta bring this up. And then oh gosh, you gotta pull this back to make the, alright, I'm just gonna, close enough. He's in pieces, that's all that matters. Alright, well, I think that C-3PO will be the next, and I didn't know that there was an alternate build for C-3PO. I'm just going to say that real quick. And now, let's move C-3PO out of the way, and let's get to quick little thoughts on the actual build for this guy. So I just want to say really quickly, the only piece that I could not find a replacement for in my backlog is this 5-angled Technic piece here for the face, and it's unfortunate because it's the face and it's really obvious that that black piece is there, so I'll definitely need to get one of those on Bricklink. But yeah, I gotta say, this is a weird one. This little mechanism here does not work as well as I thought, but never mind. So it's counterintuitive, but yeah. Let's do that again. Ready? Boom. Oh jeez. Well, I'll have to get that later. Yeah. And I do love this little, gotta love the action features that this comes with. And the fact that you can, put his other hand over here and lock it into his gun there for added effect and really get that, I think that works well. So overall, I think this is a really nice one because it also doesn't have any rubber bands that are going to rot over time. So that's really cool. Gotta say, this is actually one of the better looking ones, I will say. And I'm glad to now have made this. And yeah, again, I'm sure you know how the buttons work down there by now, so do click them as you please. Thanks again for watching. Mr. HiYodaPanda, out.